Okay, hello class.
Hello, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm good, Benny. Yes, Benny, how old are you?
6 years old.
6 years old. Okay. Where are you from?
I'm from the city, Vietnam.
What food do you like? What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is a hamburger.
Good. What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is a orange.
Orange. Okay. What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is giraffe.
Good. What's your favorite toy?
My favorite toy is a robot.
Robot. Good. How many people in your family? So, mommy,
Mommy dead. Daddy dead. Baby dead. And brother dead. Sister dead. Giraffe dead.
so mommy, daddy, brother, sister, baby, grandma, and you. Yes. Okay. Very good. Are you ready?
Dead.
What is this color? What color is this?
In the white.
It's white. Okay.
In the green.
It's green.
It's green. It's orange. It's black. It's red. It's blue. It's yellow. It's brown. It's purple. It's green.
Good. What is this?
It's a birthday cake.
Okay.
It's a present. It's a chocolate. It's a birthday hat. It's a candy. It's a balloon. It's a Lego.
It's Lego.
It's Lego. It's puzzle.
They are
Where
they are blocks.
there are blocks. It's a drum. It's a go-go. It's a frisbee. It's a marble. It's an orange. It's a clock. It's a chair.
It's a chair.
It's a table. It's a television. It's a sofa. It's a shelf.
Good.
It's a lamp. It's a blanket. These are boots.
Good.
These are slippers. These are socks. These are flowers. It's a scarf. It's a jacket. It's a hoodie. These are shoes.
Okay. Shapes. It's a
It's a circle. It's a square. It's a triangle. It's a rectangle. It's a star. It's a heart. It's a
oh.
oval.
Good. Number.
Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10.
Good. How many yo-yos?
Here are 6 Zozo.
Good. More.
There are 7 Zozo.
Good. How many jackets can you see?
Like that. There are 8 jackets.
Good. How many chairs can you see?
There are 9 chairs.
Good. How many tables can you see?
There are 6 tables.
Very good. How many triangles can you see?
There are 6
Very
triangles.
good. Okay. Where are your eyes? Where are your ears? Where is your nose? Nose. Where are your shoulders? Okay, stand up. Can you show me how to kick a ball? Kick. Kick. Can you show me how to stomp your feet? Can you show me how to turn around? Can you show me how to throw a ball? Throw a ball. Ah, yes, very good. Very good. Finished. Thank you, Billy. Thank you. Goodbye. 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 Goodbye.